All right, guys, we are recording. We're on this kayak.
Yep.
And we just saw, what did we see, guys? The sunrise, right? Let's turn around. Let's turn this way so the camera can see the sun.
And I saw a tiny fish.
You saw a tiny fish? Oh, let's see. Let's look this way.
And
so there we go.
And after we do the sunset, it's gonna be time to get back in to go fishing.
Yeah. So what we're gonna do?
Swim.
So with shrimp, right, Kaden?
Yep.
Look at that sun. Everybody look at the sun. Everybody look at the sun really quick. Look at the sun. Look at the sun. You see it? Pretty cool, right? That's a really nice sunrise.
So we're gonna be going on the boat to McDonald's.
Let's go around this island over here, though.
We're gonna go to the boat to the island. Hi, Monroe.
Monroe? You said hi, Monroe? What about? Yeah. Hello. What's up?
And we're in the banana.
What's the name of the river?
Banana River.
Banana River?
Yep.
Do you guys remember being in this kayak before? When you were babies?
Yep.
Who remembers? Raise your hand. Yeah.
Lean on the side.
Lean on the side? What if you lean all the way over? You see any fish in there?
Yeah! I saw
What'd you see, Kaden?
I saw a catfish.
You saw a catfish?
Yeah.
How big was that catfish?
It was this big, and it was this big.
Man, that was a big catfish.
Oh my God.
You know what? I think I went to the wrong side.
That I think I saw. Now I think I saw swordfish, and the swordfish was this big. Oh yeah, that part.
Wait, no, I think I can go this way. Let's keep going this way and see what's over here.
To that boat.
Wanna go to that boat and see what's over there?
Yep.
All right.
We are so far away from my dad home.
You ready to go turn around? Go home? You turn around?
That's why mommy not come. She might want to come.
I'll tell you what. Let's turn around. Let's turn around, go get some food, and then we'll come back out here. Want to do that?
What does this button do?
Well, that leans the seat back. All right, raise your hand if you want to turn around and go eat and then come back out. If you want to do that, raise your hand. I'll tell you what, let's do this. Let's go to that boat and come right back, and then we'll go home, okay?
No, that's far away.
So you don't want to go somewhere?
No.
All right, well, let's turn around and go. You ready?
But we can sneak in that car.
Let's sneak real quick, okay? Can we sneak quick?
Yes. Can we get in?
I don't know. Let's go see. Want to go see?
Yes, we are going to sneak into that boat. It's all about sneaking into somebody's boat in the river. In the banana river, there should be dangerous, but it's not dangerous because...
Say that on video somewhere.
It's not because when we were babies, we was in the banana river with that boat too. And when we were babies, they tried to throw cup. And it hit it right there and it bounced right off. And it bounced right off and it fell down there. And can't see the way. That we should have made him throw the boat off. Throw up. The cup off the boat in slow motion.
All right, I'm about to turn the camera off. Anybody have anything to say?
Bye, Auntie Rory. Bye, Uncle Rob. So, we love you. So, if you want to get
maybe I should leave this on until we get to that boat back there right now.
Yeah, because you're sneaking in.
Uh-oh, we're sneaking the boat.
Oh, I forgot, guys. It's not old. We have to sneak inside the boat. He's going to be trying to guys for that's too small.
As we get closer to that boat, guys, I think that it might have sank. It might be underwater. I think the boat sank. Does it look like the boat sank? You don't want to go near the boat? Wait, oh no, don't grab that because we can lose it. So you all want to get a little closer? Let's just get a little bit closer, okay?
No, Daddy.
Are you scared? Who's scared? Are you scared?
Daddy, if you get to the green part, that's the end.
The green part is the edge?
No, the end. And if you stay that, and if you stop at the end, it won't sink. Well, maybe. Nope. This is at the beginning of the river.
This is the beginning of the river?
We were at the end of the river.
This is the beginning or the end?
I'll get out. Okay,
What? No, don't get out, man.
Let go sink.
Oh, it's too bad we can't get to the boat because it sank. Oh, poor boat. Alright, that's enough, right?
I feel like we're sinking.
No, we're not sinking. Well, I guess we're not going to get on that boat. So let's turn around and go back home and get some breakfast, guys, okay?
Actually, we're not even going on that boat.
Yeah, sorry.
Wait a minute. Daddy, I can still see the place. I can still see the door, though.
Does it have a door? Oh, does that mean we can still go on there?
I think so. Oh.
All right, let's go on.
No!
No?
No!
Okay. Let's not go
That
on
is
there.
too far.
Well, let's turn around and go home.
Dad,
Mm-hmm.
is your phone water?
No, because I can't drop it.
Okay, Dad. Okay.
Who's ready to go eat breakfast? Raise your hand. All right, let's go, guys.
Don't worry, we'll be right back. It's just gonna be a.
Let me look at close up on this boat.
It's gonna be in that boat side.
No, I don't think we want to get on the thing. It's missing windows. Look at that. Who wants to go on that boat? Not me, right?
Me. No, not me. If you do not see that hole inside that boat, and you go inside there, you will fall to the okay.
It looks like somebody may have been living on that boat for a little while because I see some stuff over in the trees over there. Yeah, right? You think somebody was living on that boat for a little bit?
Yeah, living?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because look at there's some shirts in there. What'd you say?
That's been down to living.
Yeah. I don't want to live in there, do you? Well, let's go get some breakfast. Who's ready to go get some breakfast?
Dad,
Yeah?
the person who had that blue dress on, she's still in the dress.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. So we don't want her to see us, so turn around.
All right, let's go. Who's ready to go?
See her.
All right, guys. I'm turning
Let me see her head.
I'm turning the phone off so we can get out of here. All right, guys?
No, I want them to see the way home.
And we see on the way home. Okay, for a little bit. We'll do we'll do video on the way home, and then we'll turn it off. I don't want to make this video go too long because it's already been going for 10 minutes.
10 minutes is not that long. Because I watched this show that is 100 minutes.
100 minutes. You watched? That's like more than an hour.
And 1 hour show. We made a 1 hour show. Daddy, I hope that the person will not see us. Daddy, we even saw a 1 second show.
A 1 second show. Oh my goodness.
We just fell off and then it was over.
It's like as soon as it starts, it's over. Like boom.
Just like somebody fell.
All right, I'm gonna turn this camera off because I'm getting tired of holding it. Any last things to say? No, this thing is not waterproof.
Bye, Andy Lauren.
Say bye, everybody.
Bye. So we're gonna be back. So if you want to our channel back, just press the
Subscribe
button.
So hit the subscribe button.
Hit the subscribe button.
All right, so if you like our channel, just click the subscribe button.
If you like our channel, just hit the subscribe button.
All right.
Because we're gonna be back on after we eat.
All right. Bye.
Bye. Bye, Auntie Lori and Mary and.
Time to go.